Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the future, showing you how to create a personal task prioritization system in Airtable, the full 2025 guide. First things first, log on to your Airtable account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's quick and easy. Now that we've done that, we're ready to get started. The reason we do this is that Airtable is an excellent tool for organizing your tasks with its highly customizable features. Next up, let's create a new base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This step is crucial as this base will serve as your task management system, keeping everything neatly in one place. Now, let's create a new table. Name it Tasks and add the following columns: task name, due date, priority, and status. This helps us because it allows us to input all the necessary information for each task. Okay, let's pause for a moment. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As we're setting up these columns, we're creating a structure that will enable us to organize and prioritize our tasks effectively. Moving on, it's time to fill in your tasks. Remember to include as much detail as possible. The more detail you have, the better you will be able to prioritize. Now let's talk about priority. Airtable allows you to assign a priority level to each task. This is where your personal task prioritization system comes to life. The reason we do this is to visually map out what needs our attention first. The final step is to sort your tasks by due date and priority. To do this, click on the Sort button, choose Due Date, and then add another sort by priority. This step matters because it gives you a clear overview of what needs to be done and when. And there you have it, a personalized task prioritization system in Airtable. By following these steps, you can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay organized.